What's up, everybody? Today with this assignment, what we're going to be doing is installing Themify into our WordPress. So what we've done so far is we have acquired a URL from Namecheap. We have set up hosting with SiteGround. We let Namecheap know that we would be hosting our website with SiteGround hosting. We then went into SiteGround and we used a program called Softaculous to do a one-click install of WordPress. And we went and we used a random WordPress template called Mesmerize to make a lawn care website. So with Themify, Themify is not exactly a template, it's more of a framework. So it's going to be a lot more powerful. There's going to be a lot more things that you can do with it versus a regular template. Themify is generally something you got to pay money for, but Themify donates it specifically to CSU students. They don't do this for any other university, and they're going to give you a 1-year license that you can use, and with that license you can make as many websites as you want. So if you want to try to start slinging websites on the side, that's fine. I'm going to show you guys how to do multiple website installations coming up soon, either this week or next week, where you can do multiple websites if you want to make a website for maybe a family member or a friend, or someone that just needs a website. So Themify is pretty powerful. You can get websites up pretty fast, almost as fast as we did with the Mesmerize. It's a little bit more powerful, so there's a couple more configuration options, but there's a lot more leeway that you have when you use Themify as well. So with Themify, since we are getting a 1-year license, we are going to have to install it a little bit differently. So what you need to do when you install this is click on this coupon code link here. You're going to have to find a coupon code next to your name. If you download this table, it's going to be spread out a little bit more, but all your names are here and all of your coupon codes are here. Make sure that you grab the coupon code that corresponds with your name. If you take somebody else's, it's going to be a disaster for me to try to find out which coupon code was already used, and we have 0 extra coupon codes. So please take the time to use the coupon code next to your name to make this easier for everybody. Once you have that coupon code, you can come over to the instructions for the day and just fill this out. Let's see here. Yeah, it's not too bad. Once you have it purchased, it's not going to cost you anything because you have a coupon code, but once you have it purchased, you're just going to download the theme. You're going to go into your WordPress, similar to how we loaded the Mesmerize theme before, and we're going to go in and we're going to load the Themify theme. This is going to overwrite your lawn care website. It's going to delete it. So the Mesmerize will still be there. You may be able to get the lawn care website back, but if you don't want to delete that for some reason, let me know. I'll show you how to do an add-on website onto your domain. But as far as you're concerned, just follow these instructions. Appearance, themes. You're going to upload the zipped Themify files. If you're on a MacBook, sometimes it automatically unzips it for you, which might be a problem. So make sure you're uploading a zipped file from Themify. And once you do that, you can start playing around with all these different default themes and stuff like that. Just follow the instructions. Once you're done, you are going to submit your URL. Every URL you submit in this class, for the most part, is going to be your first name, last name, .me. You're submitting the same thing every week, but Canvas does take a screenshot of what you're submitting. So even though things are changing, I can still see what you submitted at that time.